eraser, mga lapis-lapis, mga laruan. When my dad used to come home from abroad, mga business trips niya, binibigyan ako ng mga trinkets, ng mga laruan na maliliit. And medyo pinupondohan na niya ako. Sabi niya, isa dyan sa'yo, pero yung iba, ibenta mo. And I would sell it, and I will pay back my dad. So from the very start, we were very conscious about credit, good credit. Kailangan maganda yung credit line mo palagi. It's very natural for our family during meals to talk about business. So yun palagi pinag-uusapan namin. That's why it was expected of us to come up with a business when we grow up or join our family business, which we did. After graduation, college, nagtrabaho muna ako sa Toyota because our family business is automotives. No? Yung MD Juan kasi we make Jeep bodies. So after that, nag-Honda ako. Kasi tsaka ako pumasok sa family business namin. But we found that we had a lot of time in our hands. So sabi ko, magtayo tayong negosyo. Sabi ko sa brother ko, alam mo nung college, nagbenta kami ng mga t-shirt, nagbenta kami ng mga paypay, ng mga Go Lasal, kasi Lasal ako eh. So, natural sa amin magnegosyo. So, we put up Binalot because of childhood memories. My mom used to wrap our food in banana leaves. And pag nag-outing kami, so sabi ko, yun yung gawin natin. Balot natin yung Filipino food sa banana leaves, tapos ibenta natin sa mga tigawin nating fast food. Nagsimula siya, guerrilla operation lang, mga kaibigan ko lang binibenta ko. Tapos nagtayo kami ng commercial outlet, puro delivery lang. Tapos yung humina yung delivery, lumipat kami sa food court. Tapos medyo dumami kami sa food court. When we started franchising in 2004, that's when we started doing full dine-in restaurants. So may mga dine-in restaurant na kami ngayon. So now we have 35 stores across the Philippines. Meron kami sa Legazpi, Albay, marami sa Makati, Ortigas, Mandaluyong, meron sa Marikina, meron sa Dagupan, meron sa Quezon City. Sa area nyo, sa Intramuros, yan din. So we started franchising, so now we have a lot of franchise partners as well. So yun, so ngayon ang Binalot, we are known for our environment-friendly Filipino dishes. Filipino food kami, tawag namin sa mga pagkain namin, all-time Pinoy favorites, Filipino favorites. Nakabalot lahat sa dahon ng saging, so biodegradable siya. So, kumbaga, pag tangkilikin yung Binalot kasi hindi siya masama para sa environment, nakakatulong siya sa environment. Hindi kami gumagamit ng styro, so maganda. Ang pang-deliver namin, electric bike, so wala ring usok, walang pollution. But we also have a CSR. Gumawa kami ng corporate social responsibility. Nag-adopt kami ng community sa Nagcarlan, Laguna, where we get all our banana leaves. We adopted that community. The men are the ones who harvest the banana leaves from the province, from the mountains. Tapos yung mga babae, kababaihan, silang nagugupit ng mga dahon. So we are supporting 30 families since 2007, and because of that we have won a lot of awards. UPS Centennial Award, Anvil Award, Bid Challenge, Entrepreneur Magazine Award. Tapos recently yung Intel AIM Corporate Responsibility Award. So we are slowly being recognized for our efforts. So basically, may good karma na bumabalik. At the same time, we get a steady supply of banana leaves, high quality banana leaves.